Hello everyone, I am Nikhil Pandey. Welcome you all to my channel Dream Shiksha. Students, in the previous session, we have started chapter 3, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. In this chapter, we have discussed earlier about starting MS PowerPoint, selecting a blank presentation, adding text and saving a presentation. In today's sessions, we will continue the chapter and start with the topic opening and existing presentation. So students, let's get ready with your notebook and pen. We are going to start our session. So how will you open an existing presentation? So to open an existing presentation, you have to click on Office button and select Open option from the drop down menu. So in the top of the window, there is an Office button where you have to click, and there you have to choose a option Open from the drop down menu. The Open dialog box will appear. Click on the desired file and click on Open button. So when you choose Open option, you will able to see a open dialog box. Then you will choose your desired file which you want to open. Then you will choose a Open button or click on Open button to open your file. Now built-in template. Next topic is built-in template. Now MS PowerPoint does not contain the auto-contain wizard for creating a presentation. So MS PowerPoint does not have the option of auto-contain wizard to create a presentation. So that means you have to create a presentation. PowerPoint 2000 template include a sample slideshow that contain various themes and layout. So in PowerPoint 2007, there are many templates you can use according to your need, in which themes and layouts are there. Templates give you an initial foundation to build a presentation. Now template provide you a platform or foundation to prepare your presentation. You can modify a template text and design and add pictures, sound, company logos, or can also delete existing content from the template. Now you can also modify the text and design of the template according to your need. You can add pictures, you can also add sounds, you can add any company's logos or any pictures, or you can also delete existing content from the template. And you can also able to delete, if you don't want any material, you can delete also. Okay, so in this way you can build in a template. Okay, so we will discuss next topic, that is creating a presentation using built-in template. So how you will create a presentation by using a template? See, you have to click on Start button, then you will choose option All Program, then you will choose Microsoft Office, and then lastly you will choose Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. In this way you can open a Microsoft Office PowerPoint window. Now select the Office button and choose New option. Now from here, this is here. So this is your Office button. There you have to click and choose New option. The new presentation dialog box will appear. So when you will choose, the new presentation dialog box appear like this. Select the Install Template option under Template section. Now from there you will choose Install Template option. Here it is. You will choose Install Template option under Template section. Now what you will do, select Introducing PowerPoint 2007 sample from the Install Template action. Now you will choose Introducing PowerPoint 2007 sample from Install Template section. Now you will click on Create button. Here it is. Now after choosing this, you will click on Create button. A new presentation with 18 slides appear. So when you will use this, a presentation with 18 slides appear on your screen, illustrating different slide layout, background and themes. So when this will open, there will be a different slide layout, background and theme in your slides. Now you can add text in the placeholder of each slide. Now you can able to add text in the place of each slide where you want to add any text. If you want to add any text, or you can also add pictures according to your need or according to your requirements. You can put any file name, anything, any topic content name, any subject, anything you can put on or add on to your slides. Now using design template. Now how will you use design template? Templates are the sets of pre-designed format that include text, layout, background and color schemes etc. which can be applied to any presentation. So templates are pre-designed formats which are provided by the software MS PowerPoint that also include text, that includes layout, backgrounds and color scheme which can be applied to your presentation. So by the help of this you can easily apply these things in your presentation. Clicking on the design tab. Now what you will choose? You will choose the option click on the design tab. Under theme group, scroll the mouse over the available theme and select the desired theme. Observe the change on the slide. Now with the help of mouse you can use any theme according to your requirement or according to your interest. You can choose any theme from this option. For more template design, click on the scroll ball at the bottom right of theme group. A drop down menu will appear. So you can also click on scroll bar so that you can see the more themes option and you can choose as per your interest or requirement. In this drop down menu you will also find option like save current theme, browse for theme on your computer or from the internet, select the required theme type. So when you scroll the thing, you will get the options like save current theme. You can also browse for the theme on your computer from the internet. So you can also search the theme in the on the internet so that you may apply the good quality of theme or the theme which suits your requirement. Select the required theme type, then you will see select the required theme type means you can choose the theme. Okay, now in today's session we have discussed about opening an existing presentation, built-in template, creating a presentation using built-in template. We have discussed about using design template. Now that's all for today's guys. In next session we will complete the chapter and we will discuss about viewing a presentation. We will discuss about the different views of the presentation. So students, that's all for today. If you find any doubts or queries, you can ask me in my comment box, that is YouTube comment box, so that I can able to clarify your doubt. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.